Nicole here from Vernon Volkswagen, here to show you the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta Comfortline. This four-door sedan has a 147 horsepower 1.4 TSI engine. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it also comes with a stop-start system and eco driving mode. The interior comes equipped with heated 6-way adjustable seats. It has a 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system and is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The rear seats are 60/40 split folding. If you'd like more information on this vehicle, give me a call. I'd love to chat with you more about it.